Hello everyone, welcome back to my maths video. So in this video, I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. Okay. So in the previous videos you have seen about the square and square roots. Now here cubes and cube roots. So what is the meaning of cube actually? So cube means three quantities or three dimensions or three numbers, okay, multiplying by each other. That is a cube. Cube means three. Okay. Now let us understand by geometry. Here it is given cubes. Let us understand by this geometry cube. This is a figure, this is a solid figure of a cube. Okay, you have learned already in geometry chapters, this is a figure of a cube. This is a solid figure. You know that the word cube is used in geometry. A cube is a solid figure which has all equal sides. Okay, here cube has all the sides equal, like a square. In square is a plane figure. In square, all the four sides are equal. Here in cube, all the sides are also equal. Okay, how many cubes of one side 1 centimeter will make a side of 2 centimeter? Here it is asked. So how many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of 3 centimeter? So in this way. That means one cube, this cube, length of this side is 1 centimeter. So how many cubes of this length 1 centimeter will make the cube of having 2 centimeter? How many cubes will be required here? Here you can see how many cubes are required. From the top you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes here and 4 cubes what? In the down. Total 8 cubes are there. Okay. So in this way again, if you want to make this cube, so here 3 you can see. That means here 27 cubes will be required to make this big cube having total 27 cubes. So this is a general term cube. That means having 3 sides. Consider the numbers 1, 8, 27. These are called the perfect cubes or cube numbers. Like perfect square you have learned, here also perfect cubes are there. Cube numbers or perfect cubes. So can you say why they are named so? Because each of them is obtained from when a number is multiplied by taking it 3 times. So this is the main line. It is said that means cube is what? Cube means when a number is multiplied 3 times, that becomes a cube. Okay, so each of the number is obtained when a number is multiplied by taking it 3 times. That means 1 into 1 into 1, it is 1 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube, like this. So all these are what? Perfect cubes. Okay. Next page. In the next page it is given, see, 1 cube is what? 1 into 1 into 1, it is 1 cube. So cube is denoted by 3. Okay, in the power you have to write the 3 power. Like square you have written the power 2. So in cube the power is 3. So 8. How 8 comes? When you multiply 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Then 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. In this way. So all these are what? Perfect cube. These are cube numbers. 5 cube is what? 25. 125. Okay. Is a 9 cube number? Now let us test whether 9 is a cube number. No. Because when we multiply 3 into 3, then 9 is coming. But in cube, you have to multiply 3 times. But here only 2 times 3 is multiplied. That means it is not a cube, it is a square. 3 into 3 is 9, that is a square. It is not a cube. 9 is not a cube number. It is not a perfect cube. Okay. So to be a perfect cube, a number should be multiplied 3 times. That is the main thing you should remember. Understood? We can also see that 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. These are perfect cube. Okay. Now the following are the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. See, this table is given the cubes from 1 to 10. These are the numbers and these are the cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube, that means 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Here you have to write what are the remaining cubes. So this you have to complete. Okay, do by your own by multiplying 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5, it is 125. 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, it is 216. 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7 is 343. 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8 is 512. 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So this is the table of cubes from 1 to 10. So you have to memorize it. Okay, you have to learn it so that you can use in your questions. Fine. Write this also, this blanks. Now you can see about this, it is said, observe the cubes of even numbers. Are they all even? What can you say about the cubes of odd numbers? Now you have to see here what is the cube of even numbers and what is the cube of odd numbers. Here again it is given from 11 to 20. Cube of numbers from 11 to 20. 11 cube is 1331, 12 cube is 1728, like this up to 20. This also you have to memorize. Okay, from 1 to 20 you should memorize. Now here the question is, what is the cube of even number and what is the cube of odd number? Okay, so here you can see 11 is what? This is odd number. So cube of this odd number is also a odd number. See, 12 is even number and cube of this 12, cube of this even number is also a even number. See how you can identify whether it is odd or even in the unit digit. In the unit digit, if it is odd number, then this whole number is a odd number. If in the unit digit it is a even number, then this whole number is a even number. Okay, you have to see the unit digit only, ones place digit. That's why it is written finally, we are even, so our cubes. That means even numbers have the even cubes. 12 is even, the cube is also even. 14 is even, cube is also even. 16 is even and cube is also even. Okay, and here written, we are odd, so are our cubes. That means odd numbers have the odd cubes. 17 is odd number, cube is also odd number. 19 is odd number, cube is also odd number. Now understood the concept? The main concept you have to remember that cube of any even number is also a even number and cube of any odd number is also a odd number. That's it. Fine. Here also you can see cube of odd number is odd number. This is 2 is even number, so cube is also even number, 8. This is 3 is odd number, cube is also odd number, 27, right? Like this. Now let us go to next page. Here it is written, consider a few numbers having 1 as in the ones digit. Find the cube of each of them. What can you say about the ones digit of the cube of a number having 1 as the ones digit? That means what will be the unit digit? Okay, what will be the ones digit of the cube? You have to identify. So you can see from this table and from this table, if the unit digit is 1, then the cube is also having unit digit 1. If the unit digit is 2, then what will be the unit digit of the cube? 8. If the unit digit is 3, the unit digit of cube is 7. So here in this, try this, you have to identify, you have to answer, find the ones digit of the cube of each of the following numbers. So you have to find out what is the unit digit of this cube. When you cube this number, what will the unit digit? So 3331. So how can you know the unit digit of this number? So you have to see in the notebook I am showing. So everyone see here the 3331. So you have to find out what will be the unit digit or what will be the ones digit of this cube. When you do the cube of this number, what will be the ones digit? So since you have to see the only the ones digit you have to see. No need to multiply this whole number 3 times. Okay, this is the shortcut. Since the given number has 1 as its unit digit, So here unit digit is 1, ones place is 1. So its cube will end with the ones digit, this one. That means you have to multiply this ones digit 3 times. Then what you will getting? 1 we will getting. Okay, that means the ones digit of this cube will be 1. That's it. You have to multiply the ones digit only. Then you will get the answer. Very easy. So you can see here 2 number question is 8888, 8888. What will be the ones digit of this cube? So since the given number has 8 in its ones digit, so here you can see 8 is the ones digit. So what you have to do, the cube will end with the ones digit, this one. You have to multiply this ones digit 3 times, 8 into 8 into 8, because we are finding the cube. So after multiplying it is 512. So again, what is the unit digit here? 2 is the unit digit. So answer will be what? 2. That means when you are multiplying this, when you are doing the cube of this number, you will get this ones digit 2. Okay, so easy. Only have to multiply the unit digit number, and that unit digit will be the answer of this cube. Okay. Next, question number 3, 149. Here I have to find the cube unit digit of this cube. Since the given number has 9 in its unit digit, so here 9 is there. So its cube will end with the ones digit. 9 into 9 into 9. You have to multiply this 9. It is coming 729. So here the unit digit is what? 9. That means the ones digit of this cube will be what? 9. Very easy. Okay. So I have solved 1, 2, 3. So remaining questions you do by yourself. Okay. By the same process. So I hope you have understood this introduction of this cube and cube root. So study and memorize. Try to learn all this cube from 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. Okay. Thank you.